Hi everyone, a warm afternoon to all. I am RV Bhatnapriya from grade 9 and I welcome you all for my interdisciplinary activity based on the topic comparison between the climatic conditions of Tamil Nadu and Jammu and Kashmir. So come, let's go deep into the topic. So first let us know about the climatic conditions in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, the northernmost part of the India, enjoys a subtropical climate with two major seasons, a mild hot summer and a very cold winter. During the summer months, from May till September, the average high temperature in Jammu climbs to high 20s, while the low temperature fluctuates between 15 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. So as you see in Jammu and Kashmir during the cold conditions or winter, the temperature is low as 5 degrees Celsius, and in the summer season of Jammu, that is from March to May, is characterized by hot conditions. So through this information we can say that Jammu and Kashmir experience extreme temperature. And here is a beautiful chart which says about the precipitation maximum temperature, minimum temperature, day length, average wind speed, and all about the climatic factors of the Jammu and Kashmir. So that's all about Jammu and Kashmir. Now let us go into our state, that is Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, in the cold conditions, that is from December to middle of March, it is not much cold. It is pleasant, and during the sunny seasons like summers, it is not too hot, not less hot too. It is moderate. So from this, we can say that Tamil Nadu experience moderate temperature, even though it is in cold conditions or hot conditions. Monsoon is a monsoon trade winds is a prominent factor in Tamil Nadu. So, as Tamil Nadu is located near the Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean, it experiences more monsoon trade winds that bring rainfall. So, if monsoon trade winds are absent in Tamil Nadu, then it leads to acute water scarcity and severe droughts. Now, as an additional information, I have given the weather that is at present in the two capitals of these two states. In Srinagar, the weather today is partly cloudy. In Chennai, the weather today is warm. The conclusion time. As a conclusion, in Tamil Nadu has prominent monsoon trade winds that bring rain and it experiences moderate temperature. As a conclusion, majorly Jammu and Kashmir face extreme climatic conditions or extreme temperature. So the Chennai weather today is warm and Srinagar weather today is partly cloudy. Thank you. Presented by RV Bhatnapriya from grade 9. I hope you all enjoyed my video.